blowing on my face. I'm in the holy place. I can touch your very heart, oh God. When I sing of your sweet love, your grace flows to me from above. Let me feel the rhythm of your heart in me. Let me feel the beating of your love for me. I offer all I am to you, so overwhelm me, make me new. Let me feel the rhythm of your heart. Blowing on my face. I'm in the holy place. I can touch your very heart, oh God. When I sing of your sweet love, your grace flows to me from above. Let me feel the rhythm of your heart in me. Let me feel the beating of your love for me. I offer all I am to you, so overwhelm me, make me new. Let me feel the rhythm of your heart. I can feel your arms around me now. The embrace of a father's heart. Nothing can separate or pull us apart. Let me feel the rhythm of your heart in me. Let me feel the beating of your love for me. I offer all I am to you, so overwhelm me, make me new. Let me feel the rhythm of your heart. I can hear your sweet words of love that you whisper them to me. I hear your heartbeat, I hear your heartbeat for me. Let me feel the rhythm of your heart in me. Let me feel the beating of your love for me.
Jesus.
There is on YouTube, there is a music video of that.